MOGENI nigaganirie Ogotugekerwa gwe serikali CHIKAONTI ase asingerere na goteba erine richiko ribwenerete kurendwa na kubwatiwa gukwana miye bunge ya Senate ngaki chugo kwanira igoro ya committee ya CHIKAONTI amono bwamati we serikali omaseneta Okongo nigakwanira igoro ya serikali enene kwiregatie mirimo yo muchimo na gusingerera gotebe bitambukiro bunebyo mbie ose mbirete obunereria bwa ase CHIKAONTI ni government roteba buna wetera serikali CHIKAONTI ABANANCHI nigo bakonyora obokoreri bwe serikali yange na sebare okobao kubwasio ku nabo igo kwa magendero bwanchireri bonde bwensi botayo.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to fully support the report by the Committee on Devolution, but I'll go further, Mr. Speaker, and propose that this House should amend the motion to totally, Mr. Speaker, cancel that cooperation agreement between the national government and the county government of Nairobi. Mr. Speaker, first, having listened to the chair, Senator Abbas, he has raised a number of constitutional issues, Mr. Speaker. And I'm convinced, Mr. Speaker, as a lawyer, that this cooperation agreement is not aligned with the constitutional text in our constitution on devolution. Mr. Speaker, you know that the most transformative aspect of our 2010 constitution was to have created the 47 devolved units. And we transferred services and resources to the 47 devolved units, Mr. Speaker. And what our people expect, Mr. Speaker, is that the chief executives, the people we call governors, will step in, Mr. Speaker, and provide services to our people. Mr. Speaker, when you're talking about roads, sanitation, provision of water, those are all devolved functions, Mr. Speaker. If you take those functions from Senator Sakaja, what will he sell to the people of Nairobi to win a second term? Because what you are telling us, Mr. Speaker, is that he has surrendered the most important functions to the national government, Mr. Speaker. And I'm shocked